Hello peeps, got my new DJI Action 4 this last week. And we're hoping to use it now and see if this is better, because I can now use my wireless mic with this one and hopefully it's better. So what we're going on now is at the transit van, because I did a bad video yesterday with my phone and I just want to show you what I've done. It's a little bit easier when I'm using this thing. It's got a screen on the front and I can flip it around easier and make sure everything is upright. Okay, so what we got is Mark 7 transit van, starting problem like I showed you yesterday. Electrical problem is just going lots of everything goes haywire. It's always the earth. I've had loads of transit vans in my time. I've probably had maybe 5 to 7 transit vans from all models, from the older models up to this one, and they always have these electrical problems, especially this model here, Mark 7. So as you carry on from this model up, it's the same sort of thing. So I'll show you what has happened. Right guys, if you're looking at the front of this Mark 7 transit van, it's on the right hand side, you've got your fuse box here. Now what was the problem with this one? I put this all back together now, but below here, right below here, you take this off and you flip that and you take this bit off. It's just 2 screws there and two screws here. Flip that out of the way and then you can see the wing then, and the fuse box is earthed down where my finger is to a metal bracket, and then they are earthed to the wing. So there's 1 or 2 screws there. You need to take them screws off, clean all them earths and clean all the earths underneath this fuse box. There's only 2 here, but clean them with a wire brush and I guarantee you that is going to be your problem. Now if that isn't the problem, you got these on top of the fuse box. Now these 2 here are high powered. Swap them over, see if that'll work. Do the same with them, swap them over, see if that'll work, because them are different ones. So one time I did have a problem and it was one of them had gone. So they're high powered ones. So if you're trying to find out what the problem is, swap them 2 over with each other, see if it'll start. See if there's any difference. Swap them 2 over, because they're the same as each other, and see if that will make any difference. But them 2 is the main ones. That's what it usually is. So let's go inside now and see if this will start. Hopefully it will. There we are, look. God, this is a doddle having this camera on the front, I've got to say. Have this screen on the front so I can show you. So as I've shown you, God, this is brilliant. That's what the problem was again with this thing. So I've noticed with this transit van, especially this Mark 7, when it rains, the rain comes in through the bonnet here and it drops straight on top of the fuse box. Stupid design flaw, I don't know why they did it, but then the water runs onto the wing and it makes the earths all corrode and it can't earth properly. It'll work perfectly fine for maybe a couple of months, and then you'll feel this thing start to go again and it'll be the same thing again. It's just a poor design. Transits are rust buckets, and these Mark 7s really are terrible. So I hope this has helped you out. If you have any other problems, I have had problems when I tried to search this with this van originally, and where the key is, you can change that little thing there. So where the key goes into, at the back of the key, you can buy one of them for 30 quid and that'll remove that problem. But most of the time it's here. You can be searching for faults and it's just down here where it's earthing. So this was the engine I did up, and let me switch you around again. I removed the filter system when I did the engine up from over here and put a tractor filter system on it with a bulb here where you can suction stuff through, because the trouble with the other transit system, you couldn't suck anything through because it was the pump on the engine actually suctions it through. So I didn't like that, to be honest with you, so I changed the piping to 10mm fuel pipe all the way through to the tank, This comes to the thing and comes to the fuel system of a tractor, and then when you want to bleed it, I suction it through with this, and it still sucks it through from the engine. So it's a fantastic now. Like I said, that is the only fault that you'll have with all Transits. So hope you like this thing. I don't know, is this still working? It's my first time of using this camera, so hope you like it. Ta-da! Please subscribe.